Students, in previous video you have seen the pronoun and its kinds. Okay, now what is pronoun and its kinds, that all the definitions you are going to write in the notebook. Previous only I have said, but now see the exercise from your textbook. Sania Mirza, who is a tennis player, has become a star. Why we have used who? Because who we are using for the person. Okay, they have shifted to Bengaluru, which is the capital of Karnataka. Yeah, which is for the place. Yeah, this is the present which my father gave on my birthday. Yeah, then Mr. Sinha is the English teacher whom we all students admire. See that which pronoun is suitable as a relative pronoun, and relative means which shows the relation between the two things that is coming and it joining the two different sentences. Okay, it comes in the middle of the sentence. Now next is, he is the boy who stood first in the marathon. He is my friend whom I owe 100 rupees. Is this the shop which you were searching for? He is my uncle who lives abroad. This is the assignments which I am doing for past half an hour. He is the actor whose performance was appreciated by most of the audience. Filling the blank with suitable personal pronoun now. Which personal pronoun are there? First person, second person, third person, subjective, yeah, objective, that we are going to fill now. Somewhere subjective will come, somewhere objective will come. He invited me to his birthday party. They themselves took that decision. Chinna is as old as I am. Between you and me, I do not believe him. It was I. Now somewhere this question is different in some textbook. Then see that it correctly, and I know that one question you can solve it easily if it is different. Who called you up in the morning? Nobody but he was present in the house. We scored as many goals as they did. Who can I trust if not him? It is they who came forward to help the flood victims. Is she to be blamed for all her misfortunes? Okay, now what is reflexive and emphatic, how to identify? In previous video I have told you. Reflexive how to use, there is the between gap is there. Okay, suppose we and ourselves, in between two words came, often and disuse. That's why it will go for the reflexive pronoun. He himself, it come together, he himself. That's why it will go for the emphatic. The horse has hurt itself. The horse and itself between gap is there. That's why it will go for the reflexive. Some people love talking about themselves. Then some people and the themselves between gap is there. Many words are added in between. That's why it goes for the reflexive. She herself come together. She and herself, immediately herself came after she. That's why emphatic pronoun. Next, she stitches her clothes herself. Gap is there. In between words are included, stitches her clothes. That's why it is goes for the reflexive pronoun. I myself came together. Don't want to go there. It's emphatic pronoun. The CD player will stop itself when finished. Okay, that is the reflexive pronoun. You should understand that is the how do we take the reflexive, between gap is there, and how we take the emphatic by taking together word. Yeah, this is the question of third. This all you are going to fill in your textbook correctly. Now fourth question you are going to write in the notebook in the form of question answer. Why do you not play with her own toys? Then why do you not play with your own toys? Yeah, because it is about you, and here her mention, it is the wrong. She is me English teacher. Me is correct? No, she is my English teacher. We are themselves doing. If we is there, how themselves is come? Ourselves doing this. I want to meet he. How he? Him. She gave her book. She gave me her book. Now here filling the blanks with the suitable pronoun. One must abide by the law of the country. Both the dresses are good, but this is better than that. I want some milk, but there is none in the kitchen. Mother bought these mangoes for 25 rupees each. All the students shared their food with one another in the NCC camp. God only help those who help themselves. Listen to what your parents say. The old man who was bedridden for long died yesterday. There is nothing that I would not do for my friends. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. This all filling the blanks you are going to complete in the textbook. Now activity, make a pronoun chart with at least 3 sentences on each pronoun learned in this chapter. Okay, this activity you can do now also at home, On each pronoun you have to write three sentences. Personal pronoun 3 sentences, reflexive pronoun 3 sentences, like that. On all kinds, three sentences you are going to make by from your own side. Thank you so much, students, and take care at home.